I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your iPhone to your Toyota Sienna entertainment system. First, ensure your iPhone's Bluetooth is enabled and discoverable on your device. Next, power on your Sienna's entertainment system. Then, navigate to the System Settings menu. This is the crucial first step to prepare both devices for a seamless connection. Taking these initial 3 steps will set you up for successful pairing in just a few moments. Now, from your Sienna's entertainment menu, select the Bluetooth option. You will then need to choose either Add New Device or Pair Device to initiate the search. Your Sienna system will begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices. Once your iPhone appears in the list on the Sienna's screen, simply select it to proceed with the connection. This process typically takes less than 1 minute to complete. After selecting your iPhone, a pairing code will appear on both your iPhone and the Sienna's screen. Confirm that these codes match, then accept the connection. Your iPhone might also prompt you to allow access for contacts and notifications. Grant these permissions for full functionality. For Apple CarPlay, connect your iPhone directly to the Sienna's USB port using a certified cable. This will enable a rich, integrated experience. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your iPhone and the Sienna's entertainment system can often resolve them. Consider deleting any old or unused Bluetooth pairings from both devices to ensure optimal performance and free up memory. For specific model details or advanced settings, always consult your Toyota Sienna's owner's manual. It provides comprehensive information tailored to your vehicle, ensuring a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.